Guys, how you doing out there? This COVID-19 is killing us. Tough times out there, but I've got to remain positive. So this isn't a video about COVID-19, but I guess we've all got a horrible appreciation of what this really is all about, and it's not looking great. But let's remain confident and optimistic. So what are we doing when we're confined to quarters now, locked down, no going out? I mean, for the best part, I kind of work from home a lot anyway, but I kind of like to get out and about in the evenings and, weekends and catch up with friends and, all the usual kinds of things that you want to do, but we can't. So today, guys, as my bid to tidy some stuff up, I've got something to unbox. What is it? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So, what am I unboxing? Well, we're really scraping the barrel here in trying to find stuff to do. So I thought I'd have a bit of a desk tidy up. Yeah, that's it, a bit of a desk tidy up. So normally you get to see this behind me, and if any of you guys have been following my channel over the last year or so, you've probably seen this change. It used to kind of look like this, and anyway, I guess, 6 months ago I had a bit of a tidy up, had a bit of a change of scenery, and now you're getting to see this. So in that regard, you don't get to see what's in front of me, but that's going to change today. So let's take a look at what I'm looking at. So this isn't a full kind of view of my complete office setup, but this is pretty much where I'm sat most of the time. And yeah, there you can see it. So I haven't put the studio lights on because quite frankly, we'd be blinded. They are adjustable, but anyway. So yeah, I've got studio lights mounted on stands that are actually mounted to the desk. We'll just scoot past this Dyson lamp, and if you haven't seen the video for that, it's available on my channel. Got a webcam, well, who hasn't, especially nowadays with all this working from home. Another camera here for kind of overhead shots, and this is actually like it's on a mount, so you can kind of move that around, and that's what I kind of use for overhead product shots. And then I've got another small light here, and you've seen that Amaran light, and that's pretty cool. It's a portable video light. It's so bright. I mean, for anyone that missed that video, I mean, look at that. It's so bright. But anyway, and then we come down here, and I've got a Zoom H1N audio recorder. I've got the Rode wireless microphones, which I'm actually using now because I'm moving around. Otherwise, I'd be recording it straight onto the audio recorder. And then I've got the Sony A6400 with a very big, wide lens on it for those close-up shots. So yeah, and another studio light. So this whole setup is kind of extremely compact in here. Really, I should try and get myself, and that's the Canon M50. Great camera, that. But really, I should kind of get myself another desk or a bench or something so that I could mount all the camera stuff on and then have my desk free to do my editing and stuff like that. But yeah, I haven't done that at all. I've got plenty of space in here, and I'll probably do a kind of studio come gym come whatever walkthrough at some point in time. But I thought, yeah, you know what, let's try and tidy this desk up. So what have I got? Now I've turned some lighting on. Forgot to turn those lights back on, but man, they are bright. I should turn them down a little bit, but I quite like the, you know, the dark, dull, kind of moody kind of look. But anyway, let's not talk too much about lighting because we've kind of done some videos on that already. I'm going to move some stuff out of the way slightly because I've got this box to open. So guys, this is the Fleximount D7L monitor stand. I kind of figured if I could get my monitor, because it takes up a lot of space, it's the LG 38-inch curved monitor. It does take up a lot of space, and I kind of figured if I can get that on a stand so I can kind of move it around, then I can rejig my light stands and my camera stands and hopefully get myself a bit more room. As you can see, I'm kind of out of desk already because I don't have the ability to kind of move my stand around as much as I'd like to. So let's get this open. It's a heavy duty one. Most of them only kind of go up to 34-inch monitors. But this thing, although it says it's a up to 34 inch, it does up to 15 kilograms of weight. And I think this monitor is about 8 kilograms. So I have heard that some folks are actually using 49-inch monitors on it. So, you know, let's see. So let's get this open. So here it says 10 inch to 34 inches, as I said. But again, because of the weight management and all the rest of it, folks have said they've had 49-inch monitors on there. It's also gas spring adjustable, so kind of says it on the box. It's got some cable management. It's got a grommet or clamp base, USB port on it with a cable. So yeah, I think, you know, this is going to be you know, pretty useful. So let's kind of get it installed, get it up and running, get it on the desk. I'll be back to show you kind of what it looks like. So instruction guide, might actually need that at some point. Okay, whole jamboree of stuff in here. So where do we start? We start with this. This is pretty heavy already, and I'm just gonna show it on this camera here. Kind of silvery color, but that's fine. Looks pretty robust. It's got some adjustments on here for stiffening up the gas spring, etc. Visa mount. Hopefully this is going to fit on the back of my monitor. Here we've got audio cables attached. Okay, do people use these anymore? I don't know. It's like a mic input and something else. USB 3 cable. I guess the USB and mic inputs are on the front here. So it's actually actual mount. Then we have, this is pretty heavy, but okay, this is the bracket if you want to screw that in somewhere. That's for the clamp, I think, for the desk. It's pretty robust, to say the least. Whole bag of screws, washers, nuts, Allen keys, the whole lot. Part of the base. So it goes on the bottom of the clamp. We've got the other part of the clamp here. I mean, geez, do I need all these pieces? Some kind of rubber stuff, probably for the bottom of the clamp if you clamp it on. And what looks like a bit of cable management. So bear with me for a few minutes. I'm going to have to move everything, sort everything out, and I will be right back. So guys, that's kind of it for this video. This was the Fleximounts D7L adjustable stand. I've had to adjust the screw because the monitor is too light. This thing will go up to 15 kilos, which is like amazing. Considering that's a 38-inch monitor, I had to adjust the screw to kind of make it lighter. Otherwise the gas bit was just kind of like too high up. So I'm really impressed with it. The only thing that I will say that was a bit flimsy was the bottom cable mount. So I don't know how that thing, I don't know if the clips broke or whatever, but I've had to put a bit of tape on it, which is not ideal. Could send it back, but to be honest, now that it's all installed and it's all in place, I'm pretty happy with it. So that's it, guys. So, you know, please leave any comments or questions you have in the comments section below. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Please subscribe, click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.